everyone, welcome back to another video and adventures with Migueli. So today is not really of an adventure but more of an experiment. So welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna attempt to do one of those bleach DIY shirts, and for that I'm gonna use black shirts, and we're gonna do 3 or 4 different shirts, so depending on how many I'm in the mood to. And we'll see if this is I nailed it or failed it type of DIY, because I never dyed a shirt before, so I'm just going on based on other videos that I've seen in the past and how I think it could possibly look if I did different things. So let's just go right ahead and try it. So the things that we're gonna need is bleach and rubber bands and like a little bottle so that you can squirt it on the shirt. And I got these condiment bottles from the dollar store, and everything else I also got it at the dollar store, but these are in like the cooking section. And I also got curtains because I want to cover up the countertop so it doesn't, like, the bleach doesn't do anything to the countertop. I don't know if it will or not, but so it doesn't also go all over the place. So I'm gonna cover the countertop with some bleach. What am I saying? I'm gonna cover up the countertop first with the curtains so that way I can get started. And don't forget your shirts. I have my setup here and I'm gonna try to show you what I do. First shirt. I got these shirts at a thrift store, and some of them I have from my closet. So the first one, I decided to do 3 shirts. And the first one's gonna be this Nirvana shirt, and what I'm gonna do is just grab it from the center right here and just twirl it and make like a little donut. So let's just lay it out flat, and then we're gonna twirl it. And it's hard to do with just one hand, and then you just squish it all together. Grab your rubber band and you put it all in one end first. This sort of reminds me of like a cinnamon roll or a donut, whatever you want to call it. Okay, and then you do like a little X, and then afterwards you're gonna put some in between those. There's that. The back looks ugly because I haven't seen what it looks like. I kind of want to fix it a little bit, I think. Oh well. Front looks nice, like a little spider web, and I'm just gonna stretch it out because I want it to flatten out a little bit. Well, not completely, so that it's easier to put the bleach on there. This shirt is gonna be sort of the same, but you're gonna want to grab 2 ends, either from like here and here, here and here, or here and here. And I'm gonna do top and bottom and then twist it in opposite directions. So you grab it and then you twist, and at the end you're gonna end up having to put it all in one direction and swooping it all like a hurricane or a tornado. And you're gonna do the same as the first one and put the rubber bands just like the first one. And this one's a little more flat, like I didn't have to stretch it out like the other one. There you have all your sections divided out, and it all looks good. And now this one, you are gonna roll it up like you're making a sandwich, like a foot-long sandwich. And you can either do it this way down or sideways, but I'm gonna do it diagonally and see how that turns out. So let's do it diagonally. And then you're gonna tuck the sleeve in and keep going down. And you're gonna tuck part of it in. And the rubber bands that I got, it came with small ones, so I'm gonna use the small ones to make it easier and I don't have to double loop it. If you try this at home, you're gonna want to wear a shirt that you don't mind getting stains on it, because We're working with bleach and it could just, you know, slide right out anywhere. Okay, so that's done. La 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 la. I'm gonna focus on this thing because you're gonna want to see this and not necessarily my face. So switching angles now. Okay, so we're gonna start with the first one that we did, the cinnamon donut roll, whatever you want to call it. Whoops. But first we need to fill this little condiment container with half water and half bleach. There's half water, and now I can open this. Now I'm gonna pour in the bleach. Wow, that looks greenish. Alright, I'm honestly kind of scared. But if I ruin the shorts, it's okay. I only got them for like a couple of bucks at the thrift store. Alright, there we have our bottle, and now we are going to do pie by pie. So I'm going to start with this one, and we are going to pour some on there. I don't like this thing. Well, whoops. I guess I'll start here since it already slid up. It's like not soaking in, so. And I heard you have to be fast with this, so I'm going to try. Okay, now we're gonna move on to this side. You might want to wear gloves for this. Don't know why I'm not wearing gloves. Okay, now you're gonna flip it and do the same sections that you did. So I'm gonna start out with this one. Alright, now we're gonna move on to this other donut, and we're gonna do the same. I'm going to try to go really fast because I think I'm doing this way too slow. I feel like my hands are going to burn after this. Oh well. Now this, you are going to do each other one. So this one. So now we're just gonna wait for a couple of seconds until they all get some reaction. So this one, I feel like I'm gonna rinse this one already because it is turning orange. Okay, now the next shirt is gonna be this one. I think I'm gonna give it a couple of minutes on this one and wait a little bit, just a little bit more. And then this one, I don't know what's happening with this one. I can't see anything much changing on it. Alright, I'm gonna do this one now and see how this one turned out. Okay, I'm not seeing much of a reaction on this one, but I already want to put the rest of them in the washer, and my hands are kind of burning. I have somewhat sensitive skin. I don't know why I'm doing this without gloves. I like to live on the edge. So, let's leave it at that. Okay, I'm going to rinse this one and see how it turns out. But I have a feeling I'm not going to like this one so much. This one has nothing going on. What I'm going to do is just mess it out. And then we'll see where this takes us. There. We'll give it a few seconds. Give it a few seconds. Work some magic. The other two came out really good. I think this one came out really good. Wow. I actually like this one. And then this one has a little less than the other one, but I also like it. And there's the back. I don't like this one, but I'm gonna rinse it and put it in the washer. So I put those things in the washer. Let's hope it comes out okay, and let's hope that nothing gets ruined. And my hands, I need to put some lotion on them because they're tingling, and I need to clean this up somehow. Anyways, we'll see what happens. Okay, so the shirts are all done, and this is how it turned out. This is the Bob Marley one, and I like this one. I think it would have been fine if there was more splashes on the back, but still, I still really like the results of it. It looks really nice, and I don't know, it just looks like something different. I think I would wear this one. Then we have the Nirvana one. This one turned out the bestest, I feel like. I really like the orange color that popped out of it. And the back also looks really cool. I don't know, I really like this one. And I think I would definitely wear this one. And then the last one, this is the one we were having troubles with. And I don't know if it's the fabric or if I just needed to wait longer, but it just doesn't look good at all. It looks like a complete mess, like it wasn't intentional. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this shirt. I'm either gonna get rid of it or maybe try to do it again. I probably won't try to do it again. This is how this one turned out. So definitely try at least 3 different shirts or 2 when you're doing this experiment. So this one was definitely a fail, and I don't know what went wrong with it. I don't know if it's the fact that I didn't wait for it long enough, or the fabric. The material does feel different than the other ones, but oh well. You win some, you lose some, and that's how it goes. But anyways, I hope you all liked this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe so you can watch future videos, and click the little notification bell so you don't miss any other videos. And share with everybody around you. That is it. I'll see you all next time. Bye!